So guys, I welcome this video. So this is a Tolere. So I wanted to show you this platform whereby you're going to make money online based on what you do. So here you can play games, you can view websites, you can download different applications and earn money. So you can earn between $1 to $100 based on what you do. So there are different tasks which I'm going to show you on my screen recording. So let me take you to the screen recording on my phone so that I show you how it works, how you can withdraw money. Make sure guys you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button so that you can be alerted on my new upcoming videos about earning money. So let's go to the screen recording. So guys, this is the platform which I've been telling you. I've just created an account and I have started earning. You can see that my balance has $0.03 and I can earn more money. You can see this is the main balance, this is the purchase balance, referral balance. Here you can earn freely without investing anything. You just need to complete a few tasks. Just come here in the top bar in this image and then you will find these sections whereby you can earn by completing offers. Offers means playing games. You can see that this game can pay you $54. This one can pay you $28. This one can pay you $22. This can pay you $0.03 to $12. So you can find different tasks where you can complete it and earn some good money. So if you click, let me say that if you click in this game here, so they need you to install the game, complete level 10. When you complete level 10, you get a reward. Complete up to 4,000 levels and make your $7 immediately. So here earning is freely. You just need to complete the tasks as they are given. So you can complete each task, like you can follow each and every description of each task. For example, here you can open the app, use it and earn your $0.01, finish the adventures. So just follow the step by step and then you earn your money as you complete the steps. Another thing here, you can see that people are earning every second, people are earning money. So another thing here, you can come to surveys. Those people who are good in answering questions, you can just come here to surveys. Like this survey, I can complete it for 16 minutes and I earn $1.9. This one I can complete it in 22 minutes and I can earn $1.6. So if you're good in answering questions, just choose any platform here. For example, just click in it, and after clicking in it, you just need to view whether the tasks are there, which are based on the country you are in. So you can come to any company here so that you check whether they have tasks. When they have tasks, just complete it. Like this one has a task, and here the rate of these coins is that 1,000 coins equivalent to $1. So you can just complete easy tasks here. You can see that people are earning through this task section. So another thing here to earn is browsing. So you can watch different ads. You can watch like for 10 seconds, earn $0.001. So here earning is just easy. Or for those who want to advertise their platforms here, you can just come to the advertisement and then start your campaign. You can see that each advertisement costs $0.0014 and you can deposit your money from the dashboard section and click deposit so that you can purchase ads and start advertising here. So to cash out, it is just easy. Just come to the dashboard and click cash out. But here they have a minimum cash out of $5. So you need to first earn $5 to make your withdraw. So you can withdraw via PayPal, you can withdraw via bank, you can withdraw via cryptocurrencies, Litecoin, USDT, or you can withdraw via Faucet Pay wallet. But there is a minimum withdrawal of 5,000 coins. That is $5. So everything here is completely easy. So I'm going to first log out from my account and I show you how to make money. So you can see that this is the website. It is called Rewarding Joy. So you can see that it has over 9 million users and they have earned over $5 million, and it has 7 years of online time. So here you can earn easy tasks as I've shown you. So to sign up, just use that link down in the description of this video. Enter your email address and then enter the password. Then they will send you an email to confirm the code on your email. So just check your email and then confirm it and click sign up. So that is it, guys. So that's how you earn money, and that is it. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. So thank you.